Welcome back to Market Pros. So here we got Solana on FTX on the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and move these over because these are still relevant. So as you can see, we did get rejected from the 50 and that purple box. We'll talk about that when we zoom in. We are riding the top of the bearish control zone. Actually, it looks like we've entered it. We were trying to stay above. That did not happen. So now we are lower than these last lows. I expect us to stay in the bearish control zone. We are below the signal line. MACD below the 0 line. You are crossing the signal line as of now. Your histogram is printing a dark red bar, which is also not good. Vol is printing not quite the blue signal, but we are very low. We're still dark green line right here. And it looks like it's starting to expand as the price action's moving down. Still in a range. 1 hour. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, you're still in a range. We have gotten rejected from this purple box that we were talking about. Basically twice. These two got front ran, along with front running the 200 RSI deep in the bearish control zone, actually in the middle. Below the signal line. Looks like we might have a bounce here, but unless we get back above this 21 in this last high, it's not going to mean shit. MACD negative momentum is increasing again as we are below the signal line. We did get a test of the signal line, basically front ran. We are below the 0 line, on the histogram. Like I said, this signal line basically got front ran, resumption down. Vol is expanding as the price action's moving down. So I think we're going to the bottom of the range, basically. So if the bottom of the range breaks, as I've been saying for a while, I think we will go down to 86.50 region. Somewhere between 87 and 85. So that's the region I'm looking at. Let's go ahead and, no, we're not going to put a box there. But what I want to do is I want to put a fib from here to here. Okay, so next level I would be looking at, okay, so bottom of your range is basically right on where the 618 is. So we'll go ahead and put a box here though. And after that level, I'd be looking in between the 414, possibly get a bounce to the 272. I'd be looking at the 414 and the 618, somewhere in that region at 92.50. After that, I'd be looking all the way down to the 3618 at 89.29 region. So those are your levels. Yeah, I mean, just stay tuned. Stay tuned up. Stay nimble, because this could get bad pretty quick. A lot of this is going to depend on what Bitcoin does. So watch Bitcoin, watch Solana. Those are my thoughts for Solana. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out our Discord. The link is in the description below. There's also other links to exchanges. There's Bybit. Bybit's a good exchange. That's what I trade on. Low fees, you get bonuses, stuff like that. There's also a Fold app. It's this card that I don't care. You don't have to use my link. I'm just gonna tell you about it. It's pretty cool. You basically get cash back for shopping on like Amazon, stuff like that. You get cash back in Satoshis. So, I mean, it's like $20 for the lower tier card, and it pays for itself pretty quickly. I've actually got like a few $100s in Satoshis in the last like year or two, from shopping on like Amazon and stuff. So yeah, check it out. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.